So the tow truck is here. About to have the car towed. I'll see you at the dealership. 30. Let's go. What's going on? Cam's Life 12 back with another video. As you see, the Q50 is home, but we had an eventful day today. So be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and get ready to see this show that went on today. Let's go.
Guys, I cannot make this up. This is the right front of the passenger tire. I was originally taking the car in for the rear tire. Now listen to this one.
All right, so I was able to get in contact with Infinity, and they're sending out a tow truck to tow it to the dealership, because as you guys know, I was actually taking it to the dealership today to get the rear tire fixed, and then the front tire had a flat, and now I'm just gonna do it all at once. So the tow truck is here. About to have the car towed. I'll see you at the dealership.
Hey, I gotta put this on YouTube, baby. Take to the rescue as usual.
Now off to this freaking dealership. All right, we made it to the dealership. Appreciate Tay for bringing me. I'm not gonna record while I'm here, but I'll let y'all know once I get my car back what the heck is going on today. But it is Halloween weekend. All right, so I got my car. We're leaving the dealership. I'm about to drive a little bit. That light's gonna turn off, but they have my car in Sport Plus. That's cool. I mean, I don't get mad. Also, that was not sarcasm. I was being for real. I didn't get this car to be stuck up or anything, but I'm also being positive. I'd rather people enjoy it. It's just a car. It has insurance for a reason, stuff like that. But yeah, now I'm about to head home, and then actually probably get the Lancer fixed up now that I got this taken care of. I still have to get the windshield repaired, but I'm gonna have to take that to Safe Flight or something like that to get that repaired. But so far, even though it's Friday, it's still a good Friday. Can't let this put you down, even though literally so much happened at once at one time. But I'll live, I'll survive. It is what it is. Let's see. Give y'all a quick pull on the way home. Let me make sure no cars are coming. All right, here we go. Let me get in this far lane. Much as this car gives me fits, I'm starting to grow into liking it more. I will probably start modding it now that I think I'm gonna keep it. It's just the growing pains right now that I'm going through with this car, but at the same time, it is what it is. I'm gonna rip it tonight some, because I gotta go get a haircut, and then I have a fresh oil change also, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it done at the dealership again. I thought that was covered, so that's the only reason I took it. Boy, was I wrong. We're almost to 500 subscribers. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. Let's get this video out there. So Dallas traffic was insane. I might have goofed. Got the warning light blinking. I need some gas. But I should make it to the gas station. I'm going to like there's a Shell and Chevron by my house. I'd rather go there than all these other places, but yeah, I just thought I'll update y'all what's going on. All right, I'm gonna go for the perfect 30. 30 should be enough to get it to the house. Let's see if I can hit it. 30, perfect 30. Let's go. All right, let's see what $30 of gas got us. Once again, it's just to get me to the house. Come on, big money, big money. Oh, exactly half a tank. Okay, okay, I see you.